What is up, everybody? Bill with Honest Open Permaculture Hot Farm, back at the chicken compost system. Let's give you one more update. So we are in week 12 right now, and I'm gonna slow down on the weekly updates after this week. I've got some other stuff that I need to pay attention to. If you saw my last video, it was the house, not a foundation wall, it's a retaining wall holding some earth back underneath the house. Has fallen apart, and I need to focus on that, and I'll be making some content around that. So this is the 12th week. We're gonna move everything out of here and put it in the pile that's sitting right behind you like we did last time. So this bay is gonna become pretty much clear. There's not gonna be anything in bay 2 or bay 3. Everything's gonna be sitting in bay 4, just getting ready for spring. There's a bunch of stuff inside the coop, bay 1, but we're gonna leave that in there because we're gonna heat a compost pile up in there for the chickens because it is getting cooler at night. So I'm stacking that up and they can get a little heat from the compost overnight. But soon, very soon, that stuff will probably be the middle of this month. I'll pull the stuff out of the coop and we'll start the process again of snailing it down the walls from bay 2 to bay 3 to bay 4. So today we are scooping all this good looking stuff out and adding it to our humongous pile sitting behind you. Let's give you a quick walk around and just show you what everything's looking like. All right, bay 3. Oh, let's go ahead and spin you around here to bay 4 where you just were. There's the compost. We'll reveal that in a second, see what it looks like. And here's the stuff in bay 3. Pile here, they have spread out pretty well. They spread this one out pretty well. It was all the way to the top of the cinder blocks, and they've kicked the first couple 1.5 feet off. Scratching, just like this girl's doing here. So on to bay 2. Nothing in this corner in bay 2. Nothing in this corner. And we'll go into the coop, where it is slam full. We are to the bottom of the coop with the leaves and everything. So every time I pile this back up, it takes them a day or two to kick it back apart to what you're looking at right now. So that's another thing we'll be doing today, is stacking this back up in a pile. Let's get to throwing some compost around. Oh, the girls are gonna get a nice free range day today also. So we're gonna open this up and let them have a good old time. Huh, boo-boos? You're free. Completely, 100%. Big Blue, you take care of them, buddy. I know you will. Let's reveal this pile. See what it's looking like. And it's starting to rain too. Looking good, looking good. As soon as I let them girls out, the other roosters, look, other roosters are coming in. Big Blue, you better go protect your women, boy. We are getting a little bit of rain right now, and you guys are not waterproof, so I'll be right back. Just a quick fix. I found this styrofoam sitting on the side of the road. I'm gonna put it right over you guys as a hat, so you don't get wet. Let's see if it'll stay up there. There we go. All right, let's get to scooping before these girls tear apart this pile. Let's open it up just a little bit first. I'm gonna try to throw this other stuff right on top. So we need a nice wide base. It's not warming up at all. That's all right, we don't need it to warm up. This is a good stage for the worms to get in here and really start doing their job. All right, done scooping that pile. Let's show you how big this thing is. It's about 5 foot tall, and width, it's about probably 12 foot wide. Nice. Let's even see if this canvas will even fit over it right now. Looks like we're gonna have a little poking out of the bottom here. Yep. Not quite big enough. Looks like I may need to invest in some tarps. So that almost covers it. Just the bottom part's open. We got one more chore in here, which is stack this up for the girls. I like to loosen the middle up just a little bit, then I'm about to stack it on so we can go ahead and get some air. Oh, it's warm too. All right, you guys got a heated floor already. Right, we got a good 4 foot pile in here for them. Let's collect some eggs and get up out of here. All right, y'all, I'm gonna get up out of here, but I am gonna leave you with 5 minutes of Compost Condo TV. Enjoy.